1, open, 2, double attitude front. Now what I don't want to see when we do that double attitude front, yes, I don't want that. I know it's probably going to happen, but I don't want it. Yes, we want to keep that turnout. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'd rather you do a lower attitude if you need to than doing it with wonky, weird technique, right? 3, 4, you're going to pull it into a turned out passe on 5, 6 to land, well, we could go down to coupe. 5, 6, let's land 7, 8. Yes, a strong landing out. Okay? So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pirouettes is that? Yep, it's 4 pirouettes, right? 1, 2, we do 2 here. 3, 4, there's no plie. You pull in 5, 6, you land 7, 8. Okay, so just don't plie in between the attitude and the in. It just goes. Then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Ella, keep thinking about where you're just up here a lot. Lengthen, push those shoulders down. You guys remember this one too. When you are turning, you have like longer earrings on than I'm wearing right now, which these are pretty big. But I want you to have the longest earrings on, and we don't want our earrings to touch our shoulders. Okay, so you have to push your shoulders down so hard so that we're not touching our earrings with our shoulders, right? We don't want to get stuck there turning. Try it one more time.